Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm taking you all through the process of how I bleached the knots on this wig and customized it. I'm also going to be reviewing this hair. Before we get into this video, I want you all to know that I bought this wig myself. This is a 100% real review. I use my own money. Hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Follow my lash company, Casina Lashes. And let's get into this video, you guys. So I got this hair from Aliexpress. The company is called Wigirl. This is their water wave and it is 30 inches and a 13x4. I believe this is about 180% density. So far, I really like this hair. I feel like the lace, ooh, my lash. It was so easy to make this lace melt. I looked back at the AliExpress page and it actually told me that this was Swiss lace. So that was really cool. It wasn't that expensive. It was only like $260 for 30 inches, you guys. So I'm going to get up and show you all. Let me get myself together first. Let me pull up my little leggings. Okay. So this is where it falls on me, you guys. Like, this hair is super duper thick. Like, I'm 5'7", you guys, so if you kind of want to measure it. When I'm sitting down, it goes, like, to the bottom of my stomach. At least when it's, like, stretched a little more. I kind of like to loosen the curl a little bit, but this hair is gorgeous, you guys. Like, look at this. So I've had it in for maybe 4 days. So it hasn't been too long, but like I just love this wig so far. It tangles because all curly hair tangles, and there is like it sheds when I detangle, but like this hair is really good so far. Like my last curly wig, it was like kind of like the knots up here would like tangle, and it was just ended up being matted the whole frontal. But this one is fine so far. They gave you a lot of parting space. I had a middle part at first. I just love it so far, and the customer service was amazing, you guys. I measured this already. It is true to length. I'm trying to talk fast because I want to get to the customization part and not waste all of you all's time. But so far, I would definitely recommend this wig. I absolutely love it. Like, this is that curl pattern I've been wanting. For hair care, I kind of have like this mister bottle, and I put some gel in it. This is the LA Looks gel just from like Kroger. Super cheap gel, but it looks just amazing. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you all my bleaching, the knots, and my customization routine. I hope you all enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and get into it, you guys. And I'll see you all in a little bit. Okay, so first we're going to start off by bleaching the knots. I'm taking BW2 powder and 50 volume developer. That developer is super cheap at the beauty supply. So you want your consistency to be super duper thick. You will see when I get to mixing this so I actually like to mix using a butter knife because it's easier to spread on the lace. But when I turn the knife upside down, you don't want your stuff to be so gooey that like it can fall off the knife. So I'm just gonna do like a little test to where I turn the knife upside down. Like you see it's stuck on there, and that's what we want. But I wanted more bleach than that, so I'm going to add more bleaching powder and more developer to get the exact same consistency I just showed you all. Okay, so I just decided to work on my dresser, but you all see I finally got the consistency right, and I would definitely recommend you wear gloves while you do this because it definitely hurts when you get some bleach on your hand. But I love using a butter knife opposed to one of those dyeing brushes because I'm not trying to work the bleach completely into the hair. Like, I want to lay it on there. I don't want it to seep in or anything, which is another reason why you make sure it's super thick. But I'm just going to kind of like, it's like frosting a cake, you guys. And I really focus on the front edges and the middle, where the middle or the side part will be. And if I think I'm gonna run out of bleach, but I'm definitely shooting to get everything. So I decided to leave this on for about 45 minutes. Yes, this is 50 volume, but I think the 45 minutes worked fine for this. At first I was scared, but I was like, you can kind of flip over your wig and see like how the knots look. Like maybe 10 minutes in to 20 minutes in or whatever. But yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. So we're just going to leave it on for 45 minutes. Okay, so 45 minutes later, I'm just going ahead and rinsing off the bleach. And next, I'm going to go in with the purple shampoo from Shimmer Lights. This will remove all of the brassy colors that bleach brings. And I'm just going to put this on the lace and just work it into the lace and all of that, rub it in. I actually learned this tip from TikTok and I definitely see the difference. I think it's the key. You let this also sit on the hair for 15 minutes and then you will rinse it off. Okay, so I actually did this the next day, so the wig dried a little bit, so I took my spray bottle. I like to work with a more like, not a completely wet wig, but a damp wig. So I took my spray bottle and sprayed like the edges a little bit, and then I'm gonna comb it back just so I can see all the hairline nice and pretty. Fixing my pins, but yeah, I'm just gonna have everything combed to the back to where it's just slicked back. Okay, so now everything is slicked back. We are going to work in sections. First, I pull off like a little, maybe like half an inch of the front hairline, and I stand behind the wig. Pay close attention to my position right now, you guys. So I'm standing like behind the head, like I'm literally working on a person. So I kind of like, I found out that it works better to just kind of pull. So stand behind the head and pull the hair like towards you. Like you see how I'm going faster now? Like this is how your hairline is, like how a real hairline is. So I know personally my hairline is like thinner on the sides and somewhat full in the middle, so I pluck kind of heavy on the sides, especially near the temples. But definitely just kind of pull the tweezers towards you, and then you can do another half an inch, pull that one forward, and then keep plucking backwards towards you. Okay, so you're going to do this working around the entire head, you guys. I'm going to show you all the difference between the left side and the right side in a little bit. But basically, I kind of do 2 rows to where I part half an inch and then I part the second half. And you see how I'm just like pulling back towards me continuously. Okay, so here's the side I've worked on already. And here's how it looked before. So you can see the difference it makes already. And like your natural hairline isn't perfect. So I mean the hairline doesn't need to be perfect. And now I'm showing you when I get to the middle, I'm not plucking as much because I do want it to look natural and be thicker in the middle. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope I answered all of your questions about this hair so far. So far, it's just a 10 out of 10 for me. I just absolutely love it. Customization was not that hard. The lace looks amazing to me. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.